Branches of linguistics. Phonetics. Phonetics is the study of speech sounds, how they are pronounced in the vocal tract, how they are transmitted throughout the air, and how they are perceived by the listener. Phonology. Phonology is the study of the sound system of language, how the particular sound used in each language form an integrated system for encoding information, and how such systems differ from one language to another. Morphology. Morphology is the study of the way in which words are constructed out of smaller units which have a meaning or grammatical function. For example, the word friendly is constructed from friend and adjective forming ly. Lexicography. Lexicography is the compiling of this dictionary. Lexicography could be seen as a branch of applied linguistics. Syntax. Syntax is the study of how words combine to form sentences and the rules which govern the formation of sentences. Semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning, how words and sentences are related to the real or imaginary object they refer to and the situation they describe. Pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of the use of language in communication, particularly the relationship between sentences and the context and situation in which they are used, such as time, place, social relationship between speaker and hearer, and speaker assumption about the hearer belief. Sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of language in relation to social factors such as social class, educational level, age, sex, and ethnic origin, such as the study of language choice in bilingual or multilingual communities. Language planning or language attitudes can also be included. Discourse analysis. Discourse analysis is the study of how sentences in spoken and written language form larger meaningful units such as paragraphs, conversation, interviews, etc. Stylistics. Stylistics is the study of that variation in language which is depend on the situation in which the language is used and also on the effect the writer or speaker wishes to create the reader or hearer. Stylistic tries to establish principles capable of explaining the particular choice made by individuals and social groups in their use of language. Literary stylistic. Literary stylistic is the analysis of literary texts applying linguistic methods and theories like phonetics, morphology, syntax, discourse analysis, pragmatics, etc., with the aim of providing retrievable interpretation which allow comprehension of different text genres. Psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is the study of mental process underlying the planning, production, perception, and comprehension of speech. For example, how memory limitation affect speech production and comprehension. The best developed branch of psycholinguistics is the study of language acquisition. Applied linguistics. Applied linguistics is the application of the methods and rules of linguistics to such areas as language teaching, national language policies, translation language in politics, advertising, classroom, and course, or forensic linguistics. Computational linguistics. Computational linguistics is the computational study natural language such as English and Japanese rather than computer language such as Fortran or Java. The field of computation linguistics has two aims. The technological aim to enable computers to be used as aids in analyzing and processing natural language, and the psychological aim to understand, by analogy with computer, more about how people process natural language. It also includes research on automatic translation, electronic production, or artificial speech.